If you've been wondering how to check saved drafts on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple way to find your draft posts, open them, and continue editing before you publish. This is really useful if you started a post, closed the app, and want to come back to it later without losing your work. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. To check your saved drafts on Facebook, start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look for the box that says What's on Your Mind or Create Post. This is the place where you normally start a new post. Tap on it to open the Post Composer. As soon as you do that, Facebook may automatically show you a draft if one has been saved. If you already have a draft, it should pop up right away so you can continue from where you left off. If multiple drafts are available, take a moment to look through them and select the one you want to work on. Once you tap the draft, it will open so you can edit the text, add photos, change the wording, or make any updates before posting. If you don't see a draft immediately, go back and try opening the Create Post area again, since drafts can appear there depending on how Facebook saved them. The key thing to remember is that Facebook keeps your draft connected to the post creation screen, so checking drafts usually starts by tapping What's on Your Mind or Create Post. After selecting your draft, you can either continue editing it or publish it whenever you're ready. This makes it easy to save time and avoid rewriting a post from scratch. If this video helped you, please hit like, share, and subscribe for more Facebook tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.